Let me share a secret for getting brilliantly white laundry. Your clothes will regain their snowy white color without using any chlorine bleach. First, take a regular bar of soap and grate it using a coarse grater. Put the grated soap into a pot and pour in 1 liter of warm water. Heat the pot over low heat. After a moment, add 1 cup of salt. Salt whitens and removes stains. Mix everything thoroughly. Then add 1 cup of baking soda, which is well known for its whitening properties. Stir the mixture well and keep mixing until all the ingredients are completely combined. Once they are, remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture cool. Then pour it into an old laundry detergent bottle. Place your white clothes in a basin, pour the mixture over them, soak them thoroughly, and leave for at least 20 minutes. Then wash them in the machine as usual. After washing, you'll notice the difference. Your clothes will be much whiter. Sprinkle this on your white clothes. They'll be whiter than ever, no expensive detergent needed. This simple home trick not only brings back brightness, but also refreshes your whites, naturally. Over time, white clothes lose their shine. They turn gray or yellow and start to look worn out, even if they have been washed. But there's an easy way to make them look like new again. Grab a large bowl and carefully pour in boiling water. Add your white clothes and use tongs to fully submerge and soak them. Then sprinkle baking soda over everything. Gently stir to distribute the soda evenly. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. The baking soda will start pulling out stains, buildup, and discoloration from the fabric. After 30 minutes, drain the water, rinse off the excess baking soda, and wring out the clothes. Toss them into the washing machine, choose a gentle cycle, add a detergent for whites, and wash as usual. But here's the real secret. Hang the clothes outside, especially on sunny days. Want to boost the whitening effect even more? Pour a bit of lemon juice on the fabric and leave it in the sun for 2 hours. Your clothes will come out fresh, bright, and naturally white. No bleach, no harsh chemicals needed. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Yellow armpit stains will disappear. All you need is a brilliant homemade stain remover. Apply it to the shirt under the arms, and the yellow stains will vanish. See how to make a sweat stain remover. This will be your new ally in the fight against stains. Not only does it work effectively, but it also leaves a fresh scent and is environmentally friendly. To start, you need a tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in a bowl. Baking soda neutralizes odors and absorbs oils. Add a tablespoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and absorbs moisture. These are the ingredients that effectively remove sweat stains. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover due to its bleaching and disinfectant properties. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Simply mix these ingredients to get a strong stain remover. It will tackle even the toughest sweat stains. Now apply the mixture directly to the stains. Every stain must be covered with the mixture. Leave it on for half an hour, or even longer. After this time, soak the shirt in a bowl of hot water. You'll see the stains disappear. Finally, just wash the shirt with the rest of your white laundry. This way, your favorite clothes will look like new. Give your clothes a second life with this simple solution. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight.